Okay, day number, who knows, it doesn't matter. Today we are going to try to get this hump down a little bit so we can drive the tractor and the drained rock over to fill our channel that we're going to build right now. So we're just going to move this foot by foot, probably, wood over to make sure that the rock doesn't get into our channel and compress it down. And voila, that's our plan for the day. Nice to have a mountain bike. Here's our solution. Did not have to wheelbarrow. Okay, here's the fabric going down. We folded it in thirds so it'd be easier to lift up our burrito. Now we're checking level and tucking in our little pipe with the drain rock. So we didn't realize how dirty the rock was, and we really should have cleaned it before putting it in the drain, because now all the silt is in there. Better late than never. Take one, pass it down. Well, our burrito is okay, I think, but we should have had the side closest to the mountain be a little bit longer and our channel a little bit more supported so it didn't flatten out when we put the drain rock in. But hopefully it'll be good enough, and we'll be really careful when we cover it up. Yay! We're carefully burying it now. We're calling it a day. Clean out there.